When a trend pauses, or price is not trending, it would still be extremely rare for price to move completely flat. So there are lots of various combinations price can move during these pauses and non-trending phases. In any case, certain consistent characteristics begin to emerge, and they can be identified using the Aroon indicator. Whether there has been an established uptrend or downtrend with price, having both the Aroon upper and lower lines move in the same direction at the same time usually indicates a pause to a trend and or non-trending movement, such as in this case where there's a pause to the downtrend while the Aroon upper and lower lines both move down during a brief period. The phase before that just has the Aroon lower moving down consistently to indicate neutral to bearish movement. Also, usually when price is in a non-trending phase and there is higher volatility, there will be rapid fluctuations and crossovers of the Aroon upper and lower, usually within quick succession. Given these two primary characteristics during a trend pause and or non-trending movement, it's not too surprising this horizontal range has been sustained for so long. And naturally, once price continues dropping after the initial gap down, we see those familiar characteristics of a strong bearish phase. A non-trending phase in the market that takes a more ambiguous form looks like this, where Aroon upper and Aroon lower remain relatively far apart while making rapid yet minor fluctuations. It is slightly different to the characteristics we covered earlier, where there are minor yet well-defined swing points with some directional bias during the formation of a larger horizontal range. This can be in various combinations, where minor upswings or downswings in price within those horizontal ranges can be accompanied by both Aroon lines moving in the same direction, going down or up. Flatter and more indecisive movement can also take place when both Aroon upper and lower values are near one extreme, for example here in the 0 to 30 range, though usually this kind of occurrence takes place for an even shorter duration. It can but doesn't always take place before a more significant movement on the price chart, either a reversal or continuation that accompanies a crossover of the Aroon upper and lower lines.